Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my new tutorial of our TIA portal. So in this video we are going to learn about the registers, shifting and rotating registers. So first of all you will see what I am doing. You will see the logic shift and rotate. First of all I am going to use shift register. I am going to select as an integer there. I am going to select in is equal to 1. For one shifting register, I am going to use the tag 1 and tag 2. Now I am going to compile that and download it to my PLC. You will see I am going to add my tag now, and which is my first register. I am going to use that second one. You will see. Now I am going to make it online. You will see how it will shifting your register. So first of all you will see I am going to select a bin. You will see it will shifting our register to right. 10 is there, 10. That 0 is there, that 0 is there. 1010 is there, that 1 is there, 011 is there. The last digit it is replaced. It's coming to 0. Now I am going to tell you how, because it is shifting register right. Now I am going to use shifting register left, and I am going to same as MW2 use there as a 1, and I am using MW6 there. Sorry, I think I am using MW4 there. I am going to compile it and again download into my PLC. You will see how it will shifting register from one to another. Now I am going to that tag, I am going to tag 3, and I am going to select as a bin there. And I am going to monitor it. So you will see it will shifting all my register to right. I think I have used MW2 and MW6 and integer. So you will see it will shift my register to right. So how it is, you will see 10 is there, and 1011 is there, and 1011, and the last digit it's make it to 0. So how shifting register right and shifting register left is working. Now I am going to use rotate register, and you will see it will do it, how it will rotate our register. I am using word, and I am going to select one there, and I am using MW6 there, and MW8, and I am using MW8 there, and MW10 there. Now in secondly I bought to make both programming because it will make a video short and understanding for you too easily. Now I am again going to download into my PLC, and I am going to again my force table, in which we see every so that is I think the 4, tag 3, tag 8, and I am going to select now tag I think 10. I think I lost the 4 tag. I am going to use that to bin. Then you will see that there. I am just going to delete that to show you again that these things. First of all, you are going to use our tag 1, tag 2, MW4, MW MW6, MW8, and then MW10. I'm going to all change into bin. So you will see I will shifting register word. It will shift that every value from right. So you will see 10 is there, and that 10 is there, and that 1011, that 1011 is there. And you will see that in W4 it will also shift it to right. So you will see 10 is there, and that 10 is there, and that 11 is there. So it will how now this in the 6th you will see it will shifting it from left to right. So you will see it will as the same as the MW6 and MW4. Now you will see how it will rotate. It will rotate right. So it will going to 10 there, and that 10 is there, and 1011, and that 1011 is there. Now you will see MW8. It will rotate it to right. So you will see rotate it to left. So you will see that 10 is there, and that 10 is there, and 1011, and that 1011 is there. So how it will shifting register and rotating register work in our TIA portal. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and comments if you don't understand anything. And don't forget, in the description I give links of Windows to SCADA, Ignition, SCADA, Factory IO as well. And my contact number is in the description, so you want to contact me for any query. So thank you very much again for watching my video.